What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and today we're going to concentrate on getting the garage cleaned up from the giant mess I made doing the Tuff Truck stuff. If you didn't get a chance to check those videos out, go check out the Tuff Truck videos, and there's going to be more to come because it sounds like we're going to hold another event in September. So I'm thinking we should upgrade the truck a little bit, make it perform just a little bit better. Probably just suspension stuff. We're going to leave the engine alone because we know how that went. Watch those videos. But I'm going to get the garage cleaned up so that I can get the IMCA modified pulled in. I made the decision not to go race this weekend because Winnemucca Regional Raceway is racing this upcoming weekend. I believe it's $2,000 to win Friday night, $3,000 to win Saturday night for the IMCA modifieds. So we're going to head up there and throw our hat in the ring and go have a good time. I've been kind of chomping at the bit to get up to Winnemucca and race. The one time I thought I was going to be able to go race, first off, my parts didn't show up in time, so that put a big damper on it. But then they ended up raining out anyways, which as a driver, that kind of was like, okay, well, I didn't miss anything because they rained out. But you know, that's a driver's point of view, not a promoter's point of view. Promoters always hate rain, and getting shows rained out. So but we're going to be able to get the car ready to go. Got a week to do it. I got to make it to where a guy can get a car in here. I still got the pipe bender in the garage and a whole bunch of random stuff laying around, and I think my tools are scattered from hell to breakfast. So I'm gonna have to get all those cleaned up, and then we're gonna go get working on the car and make it to where we can go racing and go have a good time. So let's get to work. All right, so I thought it was time to get rid of the Bristol or bust that was on the side of the trailer from the Bristol trip. If you haven't seen that stuff, go check out those videos. But I wasn't exactly thinking very far ahead. I backed the trailer in here and I was like, oh, well, it was 100 degrees today and I had it parked out in the sun. Those should be nice and warm and easy to take off. But that was after I backed the trailer in, and I wasn't thinking about the rose bush that was in the way. So, but we got it off. I thought this might be a good opportunity to thank again, you know, the sponsors and stuff that jumped on board with me, especially for the Bristol trip. There's a huge list of people that helped out in their small way that they could. I really appreciate it. But I definitely want to thank Gilmore Graphics, always doing the stickers and stuff for me, always making me look good, and then I go out and tear stuff up. Aquanautics Pools, if you guys are in the Florida area, check them out for all your pool and backyard patio stuff. Thank you so much for jumping on board and helping me. Kate Sarkissian Cosplay, they do a lot of cosplay stuff. If that's the kind of stuff that you're into, they do a phenomenal job. Go check them out. And then also Omaha Steaks, I appreciate you for jumping on board and reaching out to me. And then well, that's me, but that's the family, the whole Lumsden Motorsports family, which, you know, my Uncle Brad and my Uncle Mark, and I got a lot of family that reach out and help me out and make sure that I can continue to chase these crazy dreams. I also need to make sure he's not on the trailer, but he is over here on the car. I want to definitely want to thank Renegade Monster Bus, which is out of Winnemucca. Renegade Monster Bus. Thank you so much for your support this season. I'm finally going to get to come race Winnemucca, your guys' track. He's also the promoter of Winnemucca, so I'm going to be able to make it up there for your guys' high desert, and it's about freaking time, right? Hopefully I'll get to get up there more than just this weekend too. I really like and really enjoy racing your guys' track. So all about carrying the senior living training center for, you know, always jumping on board with me year after year so far. Thank you so much, everybody, for your support, and for anybody that I might have missed who's helped me throughout the year. Thank you. You guys make it possible, and you guys watching these videos and stuff, you guys are the ones that make it possible for a guy like me to be able to go out and dream chase and have fun and be able to do these things. And what I try to do for you is try to put on a good show and make you guys proud of what you're supporting. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. And now, after that little interlude, it's back to work. All right, so it is the end of the weekend, unfortunately. It's Sunday, but it is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. The car is finally in the garage. Yeah, it was quite the mess that we made doing the Tuff Truck stuff, so took a bit, but car's in the garage. Not really going to be doing a whole lot to the car because it's been race ready and didn't get to go race, right? But I think what I am going to do here is I got myself a new distributor here, and I got it from Competition Carburation. He does amazing work. Bob Oliver there does amazing work on carburetors, which is what I got. I got a carb from him, and also distributors. So reach out to him. I'm sure you could just Google him, Competition Carburation, out of Reno, Nevada. But anyways, the distributor that's in my car is about, it's got 100 and something races on it. And I've always just been a guy that likes to have spares as well. And I've never had a spare distributor in my box, so This race, I'm going to go through and I'm going to do a tune-up, you know, spark plugs, all of that happy stuff. But I think I'm going to pull my distributor out and get it taken over to competition carburation, have him clean it up and get her all prepped, and then that one will become the spare. The new one will go in here, and we should be ready to rock and roll. So other than that, I'm just going to do typical tune-up stuff, and I'm going to go through and you know, lubricate everything that needs to be lubricated. I did that a while ago, but it's been sitting, so I'll you know, re-grease the front end and lube up heim joints and all of that happy stuff. So don't think I'm gonna get all that on camera, but I think that's the plan, is to swap the distributor, take the other one in for a spa day, take my distributor in for a spa day. Yeah, so just gonna go through it and clean everything up and get her ready for Winnemucca this upcoming weekend. We're gonna go have a good time. So don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Any questions, comments, concerns, would have done something better, any of that happy stuff, you know, comment below. All that stuff really helps the channel out. And we're gonna get ourselves ready to rock and roll for the High Desert Classic at Winnemucca Regional Raceway in Winnemucca, Nevada. So not a whole lot of stuff to do, but still got to get it done and ready to rock and roll, because the race is Friday and Saturday, which means that I'm gonna have to leave here really early on Friday to be able to make it on time. So because it's a handful of hours away from me, but we'll get there and finally get some laps on the modified. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.